Hey guys, so in this lesson we're going to look at how we can apply the single paradiddle to the drum set. So let's do it. Okay, so we have 6 exercises. Exercise number 1. Eighth notes, it's a fill idea. We're going to put the right hand on the floor tom, left hand on the snare drum, and it's going to look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's going to sound like this. Okay, 1 bar groove, 1 bar fill. Okay, exercise number 2, 16th notes, another fill. Left hand is going to stay on the snare drum and the right hand is going to move around the kit. And it's going to go like this. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. So I'll do that really slowly so you can hear it. A little bit faster. One bar groove, 1 bar fill. Okay, so exercise number 3 is another fill in 16th notes. And the idea of this fill is that you're playing all of the notes in the snare drum except for your down beats, i.e. 1, 2, 3, and 4, your pulse beats, which you're going to be playing on the toms. So right hand is going to go, the right hand tom accent is going to go on the floor tom, and the left hand tom accent is going to go on the high tom. So I'll explain this by using the word paradiddle. So it's going to go like this. Paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. In 16th notes, it's going to go like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Let's hear what that sounds like. One bar groove, 1 bar fill. Okay, exercise number 4. We're going to do a similar concept with accenting on our downbeats, but instead of accenting on the toms now, we're going to accent at the crash cymbals. So that's going to look like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. We're also going to add our bass drum to those crash cymbals, so that's going to look and sound like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. This is what it sounds like. One bar groove, 1 bar fill. Okay, exercise number 5. This is where it starts to get a little bit interesting. We're going to take the paradiddle and make a groove out of it, make a beat. So first of all, we're going to start by putting our right hand on the hi-hat and our left hand on the snare, and we're just going to play the paradiddle and get used to what that sounds like. So it's going to sound like this. Okay, so we're in 16th notes. Let's put our bass drum on beats 1 and beats 3. So it's going to sound like this. Okay, so what we want to do now is we want to accentuate beats 2 and beats 4 on the snare drum. Keeping everything else nice and low, but just bringing up the bass drum and the snare drum on the downbeats. So that is going to sound like this. A little bit faster. Okay, sixth and final lesson. Similar to the previous one, we're going to be playing a groove here. What we're going to do now is we're going to put the right hand on the ride cymbal, left hand on the hi-hat. We're just going to start there just to hear what the two voices sound like. So here we go. Okay, so again, we want to put the bass drum on beats 1 and 3. It's going to sound like this. Okay, so now let's add the snare drum on beats 2 and beats 4. And I'm going to do this a little bit slower. Let's increase the tempo a little bit. Okay, so there you have it. There's 6 different ideas and ways in which we can expand the paradiddle around the kit. Hope you enjoy, have fun, and good luck.